Hey guys, in this video, I will tell you what exactly does green status mean in Cash APP. All right, let's begin. Green status on Cash App is a special tier that unlocks premium benefits for active users. According to Cash App, qualifying for this status allows you to access 5 custom offers every week and their highest savings interest rates. Additionally, you can gain higher borrow limits in supported states, free overdraft coverage, and free in-network ATM withdrawals. Other advantages include free paper money deposits and priority phone support, though availability of some features may vary based on your location. To qualify for these rewards, you have 2 primary options. You can either spend $500 or more during the month using your Cash App card or Cash App Pay, or you can receive at least $300 in qualifying paycheck deposits. Once you meet one of these requirements, you will automatically be bumped into this preferred tier, allowing you to enjoy all the listed financial perks and enhanced support services for the remainder of the period. This system effectively rewards frequent users with better rates and lower fees for their day-to-day transactions. By leveraging these benefits, you can maximize your account's value while keeping your banking costs at an absolute minimum. So that's basically all about green status in Cash APP. That's it for this video. Thanks.